Hey, what's going on? Scott Taylor with San Diego RealEstateHunter.com. In this video, I'm going to break down the minimum down payments needed for the different mortgage loan types in San Diego in 2020. Before I get into the minimum downs needed, there's always common questions that I get asked. Hey, Scott, potentially, would it be a good idea for me to put down more than the minimum just so my payments are lower? Potentially, yeah, it could make a lot of sense. Hey, Scott, potentially, in order to qualify for a different loan amount, would I need to put down more money or pay off some other debts for my debt to income to qualify? Yes, of course. Hey, Scott, potentially, if I put down more money for an FHA or a conventional or for a jumbo loan to buy out the MI, could I do that? Would that make sense? Of course, but I need to do something so everybody knows what the minimum down payment is needed, and from there we can take it on by a case-by-case basis. So down payment assistance, as the name suggests, something that I know very, very well. If you do not have a down payment needed, we can get that covered via the down payment assistance. Depending on if we go with one of the state programs that I use, you get your down payment covered. It's either 3% if we go conventional, 3.5% if we go FHA, or 5% if we go a little bit higher loan amount, but your down payment is covered. Another popular one is the VA loan. If you used to be in the military or are now with the VA loan, you can buy with a big fat donut, 0 down, and get a loan. Let's move on to the USDA loan. If you want to buy in one of the rural areas of San Diego, think of areas like Ramona or Julian or Campo or Santa Isabel or even Fallbrook, if you can imagine, you can use a USDA loan and buy with 0 down. Now let's move on to conventional. To do a conventional loan up to about the $510,000 loan amount, you can put down only 3% to qualify for a conventional loan. So once again, $510,000 loan amount, 3% down, something around $15,000, and you can get a conventional loan. If we go over to the FHA loan, the minimum down for an FHA loan is 3.5%. And what's different and unique about the FHA loan is we can actually go up to a $700,000 loan amount, or about a $725,000 purchase price for that. Now let's move on to the jumbo loan. So a jumbo loan, which we do a lot of in San Diego, obviously, what I consider a jumbo loan is above that $510,000 loan amount for a conventional loan, or above that $700,000 loan amount for an FHA. Only 5% down, I can do a jumbo loan up to $3 million. Think about that. $3 million purchase price, only 5% down as a minimum. Okay, now let's say that you're outside the box. Let's say that you are self-employed, or you want to go by bank statements, or maybe you have more assets but less documents to show. If we use something outside the box, or called non-QM, which I do a lot of those loans, yes, your minimum down is between 5 and 10% down. That's it. If you want to apply online at any time, 24/7, just go to scottsloanapp.com, and I look forward to chatting with you soon.